Bulldogs of the National University. Let's start off with jersey number 2, Ivy Giselle Perez. At number 3, Elijah Daphne Santiago. Wearing jersey number 7, Riza Jane Mandapa. At number 12, Seaman Desiree Dadang. At number 14, Jarrell Singh. And at number 17, Myla Pablo. Libero, number 5, Fatima General. Head coach, Mr. Ariel Dong de la Cruz. Calling on our Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Let's start off with jersey number 4, Paulina Soriano. At number 5, Rosemary Vargas. Wearing jersey number 7, Gemeline Seguire. At number 8, Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Wearing jersey number 9, Janine Marciano. And at number 15, Gwyneth Eulalio. Libero, number 13, Sheila Marie Pineda. Head coach, Mr. Nestor Camilar. Good luck to both teams.
Volleyball community is so loving until the whistle starts, you know. Everybody likes each other, everybody's cheering, everybody's smiling until the whistle starts.
Yes.
The blows, and the game. This is important, I think, for confidence down the road.
Oh yeah, you know that's what's nice about collegiate teams joining the open conferences, because they get to play with Cagayan, the powerhouse lineup, BLDT Hostel Pad, yung mga ganyan lineups. It's really their chance to play against them and learn.
And early on, I noticed that Nes Pamilar already making change at the lineup. Mukhang nagkamali na sulat ng number. Ang layo ng 7 sa 1.
Baka nahaba lang yun.
Kaya nga, biglang nahalata niya, wala akong setter.
Oo nga.
And the player number 7, si Seguire, is wondering, why am I being asked to be for starting 6 here today? But we get that also. No wonder Nes Pamilar was laughing his head off. Boy, they didn't read. The officials didn't get it also that 7 and 1 were miles and 6 units apart. Nice pickup. But touch of the net. Yes.
Oh,
I'll call it the touch of the net.
Lucky break there for Cagayan. That was Jaja Santiago, all 6'5" of her? 6'6"?
Oh boy.
Ano na ba height ni Jaja ngayon?
And still growing.
Yeah.
Sabi siya, walang patay na bumbilya sa pamilya niya. We met some of the other family members. They're quite tall also. We met one sister became face of the game. She's also quite tall. In the meantime, lively action at the net. Perez sets it up, reverses. It's down and away. Vargas and Eulalio blocking it, but nobody on the left side.
That's right. You know, we were talking about NU. They gotta play this game like, parang nothing to lose.
Oh, dikitan lang. Like the way they play in the UAAP actually.
Yeah.
Really. Not kidding. They should play that level that they played going into the step ladder last year.
Yes.
That is way out, and we're now at 2-1 in favor of Cagayan.
Yeah, but of course, your NU, you want to minimize those errors, especially service errors.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Glad you're with us this afternoon for the Shakey's B-League here on GMA News TV. Seth Sarmento, Noringo, and Rino Villamor taking care of your broadcast duties here. Nice stretch by Eulalio. I love that name. Gwyneth Eulalio. And there's Giselle C. picking it up. Vargas. Oh, malakas papalo yan.
Oh, tsaka she went through the blockers. Well angled hit.
Vargas knocking that down.
You know what's nice about Vargas also is she did suffer from a knee injury also early on in her career, and so hopefully right now, she's well past that.
Right, but if it's the right knee, you could tell because it's really heavily bandaged. This game is also wicked on the knees. That ordinary people is just a walking, probably a running thing. Oh, bad serve. But for volleyball players, it's a point of twisting. It's an overused joint if you think about it.
Yeah.
It's a really bad serve, lifeless serve.
Well, obviously nerves coming into play.
Yes, sir. That was Jarrell Singh. boy, both sides really too much hot sauce or whatever they ate this morning. Vargas too strong on that one.
Oh, baka nakikain ng pizza.
Yeah, the cheese pizza we love that happen in between games. 3-4 is the count.
Oh, better serve.
And there was a block. Nowhere to go that time for Aiza Maizo Pontillas.
That's right. That was Myla Pablo on the other hand, teaming up with Desiree Dadang for that block. You know, Myla Pablo has become a very effective blocker.
Yes, indeed.
She's known more kasi for her spiking, but now even her blocking.
Our rep in the cockpit upstairs did not like the set of Giselle C. It looked like a lift to him, actually. And Axel is our official officer here to shake his feeling. You cannot push the ball up, down all the way to your palm.
Good call.
It's a fingertip action, really. Marciano says, no way, I'm just going to give this free ball. Perez lifts it up. Oh, that is so well, cleanly done. And she has a... wow.
Well,
watch this again. Watch this.
Oh, Jaja developed that, no? Yung back row hit niya.
Can you imagine the Philippine team with two of his sisters flying like that? By the way, don't be surprised, Sheila Pineda is, yes indeed, the libero. And boy, Giselle C is up to a bumpy start. She lands in the net. And she's actually a back row player, and she ended up trying to get it over on the front row. 7-4 count.
Yep. Service reception of Cagayan not working for them early on here in the first set. Another one.
Oh, no. Ang sama ng hindi maiabot yung bola kay Giselle.
Yes.
And you is all smiles. We'll take our first technical timeout. We'll use it as well, but don't go too far away. We'll be right back.
It used that as an advantage for them. Being a young team, they have to move faster around the court here. Now, for the team, Lady Bulldogs, only Marites Pablo won't see action due to an Achilles tendinitis on her left foot. Para naman sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley team, si Angueta Baquero ang hindi maglalaro ngayon dahil may pain and swelling daw sa kanyang kaliwang tuhod. Yan yung nakikita nyo ngayon. Meron siyang red kinesio tape dyan, no? Sabi nga niya na hyperextend daw yan during their last game. Ipapahinga niya muna yan para sa larong ito. Seb, balik sa'yo.
Okay, can I go back to Rina? Rina, ano yung kinesio tape? Ano yung actually ginagawa, no?
Ayan, yung kinesio tape na yan, nakakapag-pull yan ng mga muscles together the right way. Instead of using yung dati nating ginagamit na bandage, no? Ito, mas nakakapag-pull ng muscles niya from the origin to the insertion para mas ma-minimize yung hyperextended niya.
Thank you very much.
Well said. Bravo.
She's the one who knows it. That's why I asked. And that's a Japanese invention, and you used to put all kinds of bandages, you know, just to support it, knee pads and everything.
Yeah.
And took the Japanese to stretch the muscle, real. So this gun in it, pull. But you can actually take a bath with it, huh?
Yeah.
And it will stay until the next day.
Couple of days.
Wag mo lang biglang tatanggalin. It's not as easy as taking off the ordinary bandage. Sakit, ha?
Parang nag-wax.
It is. 9-7 is the count here.
Well, they, Cagayan will miss the services of their captain, Anita Baquero.
That's a lot, huh? I'm missing a lot of offense early on.
That's why Janine Marciano will have to try to duplicate. But we know Janine Marciano, very capable.
Why was Cagayan starting so sluggishly, Marie?
Well, sometimes when you play against in paper, syempre collegiate team, no, you tend to underestimate the opponent a bit. But then, Cagayan will wake up fast.
They're the veteran squad here, but this NU team just enjoying themselves. The coaches keep saying that, enjoy the game. You gotta see it to believe it. Giselle C tracks it down. Marciano. Pablo tracked it down, and well, if they get that more to Jaja more and more, she's going to be hard to stop, I tell you. This is a defensive dilemma for all the other squads they'll face in the collegiate league and even here.
That's right, but on the other hand, Cagayan, Aiza Pontillas with that back row hit.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger patulang gamitin. Proudly Philippine Navy. General gets to it. Perez. Oh, that's a lot of height. Oh, that look became it looked like an open set. It became a quick.
It's hard to block if you have a tall player, Jaja.
Blockin mo, ang block mo open eh. Akala mo ipapalin open, biglang ginawang quick.
That's a perfect step.
Oh, exactly. Years of being together. Oh, that's his over receive. But Giselle made do with what she had.
Years of playing.
She grew older. She's beginning to find a hairstyle that suits her.
Yep.
Sasabihin ko, Sir Seb, tumatanda din mo ako. The official ball of the Shakey's League is Mikasa. We've seen her grow as the FEU setter. Net Familiar, of course, her discoverer from the Palarong Pambansa. Giselle. That's well done by Eulalia. That's a team that has been together for a while.
Yeah. The C-Eulalia combination or connection.
Watch it again at work.
You look at the front row right now of Cagayan. It's pure FEU. We have Vargas, Eulalio, and Giselle C.
Well, I love Nes Familiar and shouted, "Boy!" just to get the attention of the girls who wanted to talk to. Oh, look at that fingertip action from Jaja Santiago.
Yeah, you know what I love about Jaja Santiago? Ever since, even if Tintin was still playing, she plays with really a lot of heart. Yung palaban siya. It's kahit bago siya. Laban na.
And I like she has her own qualities.
Yes, she does.
I'm her sister, but I can play in I have my own value. Giselle goes the other way. Oh, that's a knockdown. Hindi lang talaga nakausbong ang FEU noong panahon na lumalakas ang Ateneo, Lasal sa collegiate season. FEU just couldn't get their season going. Adamson was still strong. And NU was coming of age also.
Yeah.
Perez sends it the other direction.
Great to see.
Ang ganda ng aksyon, lively, NU is giving them a tough fight. Tinaas, rightly so. Might as well give a free ball to the other end. It's 12-11. NU by 1. Magalit si Pao. Sabi ni Jericho, pagkayo na kaya natin. Oh, let's stop! Nicely done!
Good anticipation by Jaja Santiago.
Oh, she's a terrorist.
Yeah.
Look at, she did everything there.
Read it really well. No, that's what you can say. Jaja maximized her stint in front. No? Blocking, palo, lahat.
And take no harmful action against her when she delights. She just enjoys the moment, Sa other teams, they say, pinagtatawanan. This is just the way this game is played.
Yeah.
You relish the moments when you can shine, actually.
That's
Walang
true.
ibig sabihin ho yan. Hindi yung pinagtatawanan yung kabila.
Walang deeper meaning.
Yan, huwag niyo hong palagyan ng deeper meaning yan. Enjoy niyo lang ito. 13-12 ang ating score. 12 ang nagsaserve sa 13. Lolalio Perez. Dadang Dinalis. No contradictory opinion from the other referee. It's okay. It's a point for NU.
That's right. And we talked about this girl, Desiree Dadang. Big shoes to fill, getting that position of Tintin Santiago.
Pero ito, she's been around the 7th or 8th player na ginagamit ng NU sa rotation nila. In the meantime, Dadang, she's tall also, huh?
Yeah.
Not in a Tintin Santiago mold, but quite tall also. And heavier built.
Yes. But display anticipated it very well. So defense really working for NU in this first set.
Correct. 15-12. Vargas.
Good exchange.
Oh, he knocked Maizo. I will admit this out loud. When Maizo and Ortiz were together in USA, it was like covering twins. They were just almost mirror image of each other.
A lot of people would say that. Like also for NU, people would mistake Aganon and Mandapan.
Yes, I agree. General Perez goes the other direction. Nice double block, and that died in the water.
Right, Cagayan showing us how they can block as well, but so far here in this first set, it has been NU.
You have been amply warned. Cagayan will wake up, as Noreen pointed out, and they are.
They're rising.
Okay. Barry Pasqua says, okay.
Okay.
Then don't stand.
Especially in this gloomy typhoon day.
Oh, yes, and that also just disappeared in the water. We're tied at 15. The Lake Rising Suns are at full height. Watch this.
Up, Janine Marciano.
Oh, we had a player earlier in the PMP game.
Materazo.
Yeah, she is almost like a carbon. This is so old. Carbon copy. Xerox copy for the new generation. There was actually somebody in a school that a younger person asked, "What's snow date?" Basketball does that too, but this one it's a constant state of flying. You can even take pictures when
And
you're
have
in the
coffee.
air. When you can. 18-16, the Dang will be serving. Hey,
yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah, no, just some numbers here in terms of attacks. Cagayan still leading and United 6. The thing is, unforced errors, Cagayan is more. They're having problems with their services.
Yep. In the meantime, 18-17 is the tally here as the serve changes hands. Boy, I'm shocked to find out that Pao Soriano's full name is Paulina. Isn't that, no? Bagay sa kanya.
Yeah, bagay.
So regal. Oh, nice flight that time by Myla Pablo. Oh, Gwyneth Eulalio.
Yeah, I've got to credit that big by Pontillas.
Lalim ng pinto.
Pero perfect big, oh.
Oo, naging set, ano?
Oo, play kagad for Cagayan. But you know, Sam, you're talking about it, guys. Diba, he said si Coach Ness looks worried. I think kasi coming off a loss, a straight set loss, you don't want your players to feel, parang the morale is down.
Oo, tama. Given the strengths that we have, given our capability, and the fact that we're defending champions, the thought of losing 2 in a row is horrible.
Yeah. Especially, this is an open conference and you're playing against a collegiate team without an import.
This is their collegiate lineup for the coming UAAP.
Yeah.
And Singh waxes too strong, and that's out. We're knotted at 19. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan po ang dengue. Lion Tiger katulang gamitin. Proudly gawa dito sa Pilipinas po yan. Samantala, Mashano will be serving her team and the other side, knotted together at 19. General has been steady there.
Yep, and actually, NU's reception has been good. It's working today.
In the meantime, the lead changes hands as Cagayan is now in the driver's seat 20-19. And Nestor Millar is coaching hard. There he is, bottom of your picture.
Yeah, constantly reminding his girls of what to do.
Yeah. Won a championship with Wendy Simana, Rachel Abdatis with FEU in the UAAP. Meantime, oh, nicely done. Parang donkey.
She's tall, but she's also very athletic, eh. Pero,
A little more athletic than Din, no?
I feel.
A little more athletic. Some may say a little more graceful. 20 apiece. Perez a serve in play. Vargas zips it, but it's caught.
Boy, NU again, they're blocking, working for them here in the first set.
Now with the game the way it's played, you cannot not block. No?
Oh.
Cannot not block. It's part of the game. 21-20.
With all that athletic players like Marciano, the leapers.
Joy Casas is it as well.
Yes.
And that's out. It was sewn up together at 21. Tabla po tayo. Si Giselle C will be serving. Siya kulbakso.
Oh.
Casual.
Oh, good save.
Binuhay. Balikan ko si Jago dyan. Binalikan niya.
Oh, that's a great set by Ivy Perez.
There's a setter's mentality. Hindi mo nakuha, balik ko sa'yo. Alam ko gusto mo uli.
Oh.
Diba may setter's mentality, I could actually tell that she would go back to, not that I'm a setter, just looking at setters through these years, you know that they want to go back to that player who was originally blocked. Vargas.
Especially if the player is your ace player.
Oh, absolutely. That's even better said. Giselle C.
Good read.
Perez. Oh, to traffic. Mandapat. Wait, talk of traffic in this rainy day. I'm scared. 23-21. We shall be hopping into Nes Familiar's timeout.
Hindi yung nagmamadali na kasi wala sa posibility anak mo lang na gano'n. Habol ka handa, hindi nila madali. Hindi naman nakakapita nila.
Kapit lang nila.
Mag-shoot muna tayo. Shoot natin naman second bago mo mag-shooting naman ito. Dito ka pa nag-play, nandito si Dalo. Hindi pa takboy mo sana kanina si Winag yun ang black. Sige na lang.
Alam mo, pagka nire-invent ko ang volleyball, dalawang timeout ng si Charles Vargas. Yung unang timeout para sa center lang. Yung unang timeout para sa center. Yung pangalang timeout for the other members. Because the setter is the recipient of the bulk of the serve.
Yeah. Yeah, because of course the setter, like we said, like as the name connotes,
Sets up everything.
sets up everything.
And look at this. Here's Santiago's serve. Overset. Ooh, they got a call. It's an overreach. Yes, it is. I asked the referees about this call. Now I can tell between the call when it is a back row player who goes in front and the overreach. Kasi madalas nakikita natin is the signal for the overreach na lang eh. So I asked the referees the difference. So they gave me a lecture.
A whole day lecture.
No. Edwin Gaa did it for me. Oh, it's in play. 1 point game. Keep that in mind. Perez. Gotcha! She loved that.
Yeah, when in doubt, go to Pontillas. Maizo Pontillas.
Her name is like, by itself, is a law firm.
Yeah.
23 apiece. Time to listen to NU.
Natin nasa nato. Okay lang yun. O, ito, patayin natin to. Saray. Isa, labas. Labas, si. Kung binigyan sa'yo, halo. Tumba mo, tumba lang, tumba. Na medyo maba. Direl, 5. Ha? Kung maganda ko yun.
You know, si Coach Ariel de la Cruz, ang kanyang favorite line, pakain natin ito. Diba? Sa kanya, stop na natin yung momentum kagad nung isa. Kaya it's a term, alam mo po, kung ngayon lang ko kayo nanonood ng volleyball, napaka-violenting sport nitong volleyball. Pakain natin yun. Sipatin natin.
Tusok.
Palo!
Actually.
23 all. Vargas.
Oh.
Malapit eh. Andiyan ka naman eh. Cover ka naman eh. Loko, nakalusog itong Cagayan ha. Tingnan natin kung mapapatay ang bola. Makinig tayo kay Coach de la Cruz.
Ika, maganda receive lang. Kung mag-over-receive. Mag-over-receive. Gitna receive. Paluin mo. Okay, binibigyan ko sa'yo ha. Dito.
Go, Water.
Pag binigyan niya kahit saan, pag ikaw, kaluwitin mo lang, okay? Tara. Receive lang ka.
You know, in basketball, you won't hear it that often. Players calling each other as kuya, you know. But in volleyball, we casually use ate, you know. We're a family league because we have shakies. So, our family pizza, it's got to be shakies.
Yes, we have shakies. Very casual.
That's why this league has been around with the support
11
of
years.
Yes, thank you, Shakies. And volleyball is alive because of you. 24-23 is the count. And nobody will ever beat Manager's Choice.
Me, Friday special.
Ikaw talaga.
I love Friday.
Oh, look at this, tabla. Sige, order tayo ng pizza mo, pizza ko. O, matagal ito eh.
Bunch of lunch.
Well, this is in for Singh. Well, this could take a while.
That's a great start for this match. I mean, a lot of people predicted, syempre, open conference, Cagayan.
Will walk over.
Oh, but NU lumalaban.
which is good. Dapat the other way. Alanganin kay Pablo Pontillas. Down the middle we go. Oh, may naningit. May sumingit na kamay. Magandang pagkakataon sa amin, pero hindi na istaas dahil too many hands on it.
That's right. And you know, if you're at the receiving end, alam mo sa'yo, parang ready ka na, biglang may sisingit. That point.
If you're NU, you're disappointed. You cannot not be. But if you're Cagayan, you're relieved. You're relieved.
Yeah.
That you got that first set.
Yeah, but an anticlimactic ending to the
In
set
a
for
way.
NU, no?
I think ito yung palo ni... This is Pao Soriano. I believe who got this.
Yep.
Let's look at closely.
Paulina. Yes.
No, it's Pao Soriano.
Paulina.
Paulina. The reigning ice queen.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
But NU did a good job in terms of defense, their blocking. But yun lang nga parang towards the end, it's the errors that creeped in. And again, eventually just snatched it away from them.
I think the learning there is, as Coach De La Cruz was talking about, patayin natin ball. I think the deeper meaning there, more than anything else, we got to know how to finish the set.
Yes.
We got to know how to clean up after what we did. We got to know how to do everything so solid. They had the chance, actually.
Yeah, because no matter what you do in a set, no matter how great you play or how you start, it's who wins that set.
Yung pagsara ng set ang pinaka-importante. Now, mabuhayan. Tama ka yan. Mabubuhay. Medyo late lang yung gising ng Rising Suns, pero nagising din. Now, you're NU. Let's get back into the ballgame. Kaya natin to, no? Yung mind, dapat ang talking ng coaching at saka ng mga kapitan. Kaya to. Kaya to.
You know, decent showing for NU, really. They even controlled that first set. Di lang pumayag ng Cagayan.
Nasa kanila actually. Uy, just above the net, halos nadampian lang yung net nun. You know, Perez was setting well, actually. She's the veteran there, and she's done a good job. Alam mo, naka-benefit din sa kanya nung si Ruby De Leon was their setter in the first conference last year, actually.
That's right. You know, it's so nice, like Taya, we cover the games now. We've seen the careers of these players. It's so nice to see Ivy Perez get praises because she got a lot of criticisms before. Let's face it, but now we can see she's coming out of her shell.
Yes, and she's a tall setter. She's an asset. Whenever you have a tall setter, you've got somebody special at the middle because you have somebody for defense and for offense.
Yep.
2-1. NU again jumping out in front. And Maizo nips the line there in a crossbar volley. Well, it's almost like a fence.
Oh.
2 apiece.
That's right.
Shakey's for Farm Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. That and discovering. You know why? Don't have to say once nagpaluan na. You shut up Ang unwritten rule there. Galing ba yan? Service. Oh, that's long. Saka ka lang magsasalita.
Even actually badminton When you
Ganun
watch...
ba? Yun ba parang unwritten? Oo. Pero ang galing ng mga British na lovely.
Oo.
Exquisite shot.
Goodness me. Gagawin.
Buka na. Wag dito.
What a rally.
Hindi bagay rito. In the meantime, Myla Pablo skidding to the floor. Myla Pablo and Sheila Pineda share this fondness for hair clips. Join that. Oh boy. We should, actually, our official outfit here in the Shakey's Billy. We should have an official hair clip.
Yeah. Si Jaja Santiago right now.
Also. Medyo nabawasan na nga yung kay Sheila Pineda. We love our girls. That's why we tease them about everything. In the meantime, it's 4-3. Referee De La Cruz has a bone to pick. The referee said, hindi po.
Oo. Ako boss dito.
May prim and proper ho. May yellow card din kami dito.
May red.
May red. Pero kung minsan, isang usap lang, madali na makuha. C set up. Pao Soriano who knocks that down with a smile, which Something a little rare, but delightful when you see it from Pao Soriano.
But you know that smile, it came from getting one. You know, nakita lang niya may yung butas, so nothing spectacular. I just put it there.
She's one of the best in spotting those open areas.
Yeah.
Don't forget, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan po ang dengue. Lion Tiger Catol Agalitin, proudly gawa dito sa Pilipinas. Nice pickup by Sheila Pineda, but too strong and out of reach.
Right, Myla Pablo. Actually, the leaner Myla Pablo, she lost a lot of weight.
Oh, yes. I'm not so concerned that Sheila Pineda is the libero. You know, she's got beach volleyball experience. She's used to having less people on that side, you know.
And she's got knee pads.
Oo nga pala.
Diba?
See? Oh, nicely done by Marciano.
That's right, combination play by Cagayan.
Ito na, malabas na yung ngipin ng Cagayan, ano? Medyo nangangagat na eh.
That's that's what you don't see very often. May be quick, pumasok, pero binigyan ng differential.
Yes. Perez knew it was so bad when the minute it left her hands.
Yeah, we heard it.
Yeah, she said so.
And we heard it.
Yep. 7-4 tally here, but give her kudos for trying to track it down. But she knew pag-deform niya, no, mali eh.
Oh.
Sana reverse set ko na lang. Pablo gets high in the air and knocks it down the line.
Smart hit by Pablo, realizing that he got a smaller blocker, Giselle C. So down the line, open shot for her.
Because si Myla Pablo has not been given enough credit for her flying ability.
Oh.
Here's the dunk. Marciano is a puncher. Nice touch by Papaloy. Regalo eh.
Iba talaga yung airspace ni Jaja Santiago. Eh. Parang dito yung airspace nyo, sa akin, way above that.
Yeah. Our assigned altitude is
Yeah.
different. Your assigned altitude is different.
That's better. That's better.
Nagulat siya. Lumusot sa block yun. Sheila, Giselle, and Marciano. 8-6 is the count here as Cagayan jumps out in front. As we hit our first technical timeout, we shall all be back after these messages.
Predictable in this match. That simply means to say that they have to tighten up their floor defense. And also, Coach Ariel is also expecting the 70-years-old BS Marketing Management student Jorel Singh to be able to step up for the team. Kaya nga binibida niya si Jorel Singh as one of the assets of the team at kailangan daw. She's also one of the players to watch out for in the coming games to go. Meanwhile, for the Cagayan Valley team, Coach Ness told the team they have to be playing confident in this match. Sabi nga ni Assistant Coach Norman kanina, skills-wise, it's already with them, but the challenge is being intact in this game, meaning to say, to stay focused in this play and to be more focused. Sev?
Understandable concerns of the coaches, and they give it, wow, it's now 8-9. There's more power is being unleashed by Judges and Chaco, actually.
Yep. That's a great set.
Walang problema eh. Alam mo, pag malaki talaga yung papakalo at saka maganda tumalon, kayang adjustin kahit pangit ang set eh.
Huwag lang mababa.
Huwag lang mababa. Kaya nga eh, kasi the longer it stays in the air, the longer, ang hang time naman kasi ng bola is the amount it takes for it to get down eh. Yun yung hang time. So Liven is stepping in at the center position. Perez will get a break here.
Of course, Coach Dong de la Cruz trying to also give, opportunities to his other players.
He'll get some seasoning.
Yeah.
Here, there, and everywhere. Nothing like games, no? Kasi practice, sawa yan, theory yan. Sa kabila, binigay. Why not? May konting block. Nakatulong yan. Sa gitna. Nahuli, tinaas.
Oh!
Mali. Wala ka sa pwesto. Mali niya yan. Just gigil. Looked like it was easy, but wala siya sa forma.
Oh.
Watch this, ha?
But first, it was a great block by Pao Soriano.
Sabi niya, kaya to. Asos? Asos? Ang layo.
Kaya ko yung over to.
Kaya ko yung over to. Nasa ilang siya. 11-8 po ang bilang natin. Kaya nakalusot ng first set. Naipuslit. 26-24. Alanganing set. Nagawa ng paraan.
Oh! But it ricocheted off Aiza Maiza though.
And look at this. NU finds itself within 2. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan po ang dengue. Lion Tiger, katolang gamitin, public Philippine May. Sana mo kayo naroon. Hindi ko kayo masyadong naapektuhan ng ating sumasalantang bagyo.
Yes, stay safe
Stay
everyone.
safe, dry, if possible. Stay at home. Kung walang klase, volleyball panoorin. Tuwing hapon po yan dito sa GMA News TV. Katapos lang ng balitang hali.
Oh, isa lang pwede puntahan. San Juan Arena.
Yun lang. In the meantime, that's out. Dumidikit na naman, kumakatok-katok na naman ang NU 10-12 ang ating opisyal na bilang sa ikalawang minuto.
Well, services, in today's match, yun ang maraming errors.
Yep. Yeah, actually, there was that stretch. Nag-exchange ng error yung dalawa. Sing, settling down. C. Ganda ng kaliwang palo ni Maisa talaga. Tama yung report na rin. Naku, binang. They go back to Maisa, but she is caught by Pablo. Sabi mo, si Maisa na nahuli ko.
Yeah, but it was so funny kasi nung pumalo si Mandapa, tapos naging parang free ball. I heard the bench of NU actually reacting, natawa saying, whoa!
11-12 po ang bilang natin. Medyo stress-free nga NU. I know they lost the first set. They're smarting a little. They seem to be composed about it.
Yes. Oh!
Ay, malakas ang palo pero too much ng net. Bad break, no? Bad
Yes.
break.
Sayang kasi it was going out.
Wala na yun. Tumaas yung kamay na idikit. Kasi, di ba yung mga coaches nila, idikit mo pag-block. Nagawa yung gano'n.
Dumikit sa net.
Pablo lumipad. Nicely done.
Oh, Pablo has been consistent for NU
Yes.
today.
Passes the official ball of the Shakey's League. In the step ladder against Ateneo, it was more Pablo was giving Ateneo problems than certain stretches than the Santiago sisters. He was that good.
Yeah, and even Urda.
Yeah. Oh, that's a name I miss now.
Yeah.
Pablo is rejected. Wala committed na siya.
Oh, and the problem with Myla Pablo, she's so accustomed or used to her approach. Ang layo kasi ang gusto niyang approach. So if she doesn't get that perfect approach, sometimes she struggles.
Yes. She's a 747. She's not an ordinary flyer.
Airbus.
Yep, she got that down this time. She adjusted. 13-14 is the count here. This is a lively game. Glad you're enjoying it with us, wherever you may be. Sep Sarmento Noringo and Rina Villamor, your broadcast front line here. And we have Dadang all set to serve. Sheila Pineda got to it. And that stays down, and that'll go to Marciano now.
That's right. Marciano's always being smart, the smart hitter. Not challenging too much of Jaja Santiago,
Yes.
but challenging the setter.
That's long and out. And that makes it just a 1-point affair here in the second set.
I wouldn't want to be in Cagayan's next practice. I'm sure it's more service than anything.
I'm sure. It's necessary, but I can tell you it can be boring.
Yeah.
2 touches. We got that down anyway. Niload up ni Vargas, nahuli lang. Isa pa, nababa. Oh! Soliven. Bola niya no? Pero ang layo niya.
Oo.
Ang layo niya masyado. 16-14, nauna sa technical timeout ang kupunan ng Cagayan. Lamang sila sa... Manyaman, masarap yun. Samantala po, diretso po ang ating Shaggy's Feeling. Pero akong kaibigan dyan fan na fan ng Shaggy's. Tutuwa po nagkakapagpahan. Ako hindi naman ako tagaroon ng white ko kapagpahan. Pero alam ko po, pinagagalitan ako ng piyanan ko. Kaya naiintindihan ko. 15-16. Alam, ang ganda ng pinapakita ng Enyo rito.
Yeah.
Laban to.
At same with that power hit. At least you can see her, what she can do.
Alam mo, kailangan ng tarabawi ng Enyo condition. They're a step late sa bola. Diba? They're a little heavy. They're a step late to the ball. They're not yet in fighting condition.
Oh, it's an off-season.
Ano, diba? Wala pa improvement.
Oh.
17-15. There's a certain conditioning necessary for volleyball.
Yeah, especially, that's always the challenge of the coaches or the trainers. They want them to peak at the right time.
Yes, indeed. Maizo got through the hole. 18-15. Sorry, go ahead.
Yep, no, I was just about to say Cagayan at least doing a better job here than in the first set.
Oh, they were really off the off the charts. They're not playing well in that first set. Not familiar really kasi bad set. Isang dinukot sa ilalim eh. Malikuhan ng bola. Nadulas din eh. Among so many problems in that set. 19-15, time to listen in.
Yeah, pag nagkatarantala, malapit mo kagad ng tao. Nilaluan ka ng bawal. Hindi, yung tao naman yun, kasi ano mangyari yun, dapat tao-tao. Mag-side-side kayo.
Alalay pa nga yung coaching ni Coach De La Cruz eh. Alalay pa eh. I know how vocal he can be. Huh? I know how hard he can coach also. He's trying to get this team used to competing eh. Good piece of coaching pa rin.
Yeah. So it's also hard because if you know that, you know, the younger ones, you don't really know yet what triggers these kids in.
Baka magulat.
Oh.
In the meantime, Mandapat gets that to go.
Yeah, Mandapat actually has been kind of silent here in this match so
Medyo.
far.
Lahat parang hindi yata nabibigyan ng
Oo.
maraming bola. No? Santiago serving.
Good serve.
Just slightly above the net. Oh, that's down in a way. It's the positioning now that seems to be a problem also for NU. We have Benito coming in now for Vargas.
With the light of the fans.
Oo nga, si Joy Benito, matagal na natin din nakikita. Ha? Long time stalwart ng San Sebastian.
Oh, good save.
Sila wanted to be a member of the Brazilian football team. Tried to reach weight with their foot. Kung naging goalie si Sheila, pwede. Yun yung Brazilian kick eh. Actually, mukhang kapuera pa nga yun, di ba? 2017. See? Nice double stoppage there. Inabot.
Oh, good cover.
Yes. Pablo. Sheila Pineda steady. Oh, nicely done. Alam mo, porsyento talaga si Maisa,
Yes,
no? Porsyento eh. Pusin na natin ito po na ito.
Parang parang very deliberate siya sa mga palo niya. You know?
If you're Giselle C and you want to end this set quickly, go back. Go, you know yung ibig sabihin ng pumuporsyento, you go to your best possible scorer.
Yeah.
Pablo. You know what Pablo lacks? A good setter that they can work together. Na? Isang setter na ito yung bola mo, ito yung ano yun.
Yung alam, kilala, yung ano gusto ng set.
Does Pablo have one more year sa NU?
Ay,
Parang hindi ako sure. Parang, alam ko si Aganon tapos na eh.
yes. Agado na dinner matchmates.
Oh, requested, granted. Marciano was hoping for a check ball there. Got that. 22-18 here. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. 22-18 po ang ating bilang. Pao Soriano is at your service area. General got to it.
Oh, miscue.
Wala. That the disaster of the previous play spilled over to the next play. They were still thinking of the mistake of the first play when that. Boy, you can't afford to dwell when you're really in this game. Let's listen in.
Sinong ano natin? Nasarap. Sino nasa...
And I think Eulalio.
Let's see Eulalio connection as Ivy Perez checks back in.
Yun ang meron si Eulalio. Tagal nagsama niya.
Familiarity.
Ito gusto nito. Ito ayaw ginigising sa umaga na napakaaga. Ito ayaw umistorbo. Santiago Scott with a hand in the cookie jar. Kept in play nonetheless. Here comes Pablo. Of speed, got it down. Valdez is on the floor. Go ahead, please.
Yep, kasi walang libero ang Cagayan. So, Pablo did a great job putting it in the center. So, talagang may campfire.
Yep, magkatulo kayo dyan. 319. Ladang. Giselle C has to scamper. Marciano. Pablo whips it. Whips it good.
Really good.
And Pablo getting some scoring going here. I think Perez and they are still, they probably still eligible. They could be quite a tandem.
Yes, yes.
Nice set. Thing dropping to the deck. Pablo, malakas. Pero kinuha pa rin ang Benito. Off speed.
Smart hit there for Janine Marciano. Mixing it up at the right time.
Exactly.
That point, Cagayan.
And a chance to go up ahead 2-0. General kneeling for it. Labas ang laro ni Pablo. Labas ng lahat. Wala na siyang holding back.
She is playing very solid for NU today.
Wala nang ibang nakaka-score eh.
Yeah.
Biglang tumahimik na si Jackson.
Yes.
General, great reach. Eulalio is jammed by Santiago.
Redwell.
Les Familiar wants to stop the bleeding.
Kaya maghiwalay para pagka matatakbo mo pa. Layo mong ganun para wala yung laker. Sa maganda rin simula.
Kapitan natin na. Kapitan na to. Kapitan na to.
Tayo.
Receive, deceive, believe. Wala lang. yun lang naman sinasabi ng mga coach lagi, di ba? Receive, deceive, believe.
One good service.
One good receive.
One good service. One good receive.
34-22. General with a smile on her face. Santiago. They will recycle. Alanganin. And NU caught with many hands in the cookie jar. It's 25-22. NU had their chances but could not sustain it.
Yeah, but a better start for Cagayan, and they were able to maintain that momentum from the start. So they weren't the one chasing this time.
And that's our shake and play. We will be back with the third.
Oh.
Ako tayo isa. Let's see how far it goes.
Yeah, they have to focus on that. Yeah, well, that's a good point because, they're down 2 sets. You're playing against an open conference team, a power pack team. How will you respond to the challenge, diba? You go for that. Let's get the next set.
At saka yung sinabi mo pang punto kanina, ito natalo last time. Ayaw matalo ulit. Ito, siyempre, masakit yun. 3 sets yung pagkakatalo na yun. Hindi man nakaporma, ika nga, no, ha? Pero tingnan natin, takbo. Si Chi Sayat na ang setter ngayon ng kupunan ng Cagayan.
Oh, good save.
Chi introducing herself to everybody with a nice dunk. It's played out, however. They recycle. Vargas ranking it up. Again to Vargas.
Oh, man.
And that is off the 2 blockers, Singh and Santiago, unable to handle the hot volleyball.
That's right. That was Eulalia with that kill. And some leading scorers here. For NU, you have Judge Santiago with 12, Pablo with 11, and for Cagayan, Marciano with 12, and Maizo with 8.
Tisayat, the veteran.
Oh, good save.
Getting full height on that one. Boy, ang bilis niyang umakyat sa kanyang assigned altitude.
Special altitude.
Yes, indeed. Shakey's. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Sheila Pineda. Now as libero.
With Nika.
With Nika. She has the aptitude for libero. Ayaw din namamatayan ng bola yan eh. But I like the fact she accepted this role kasi kung naging open hitter pa rin siya dito, mahirapan siya sa playing time, ano? Tingin ko, ha?
Well, it's the coach's discretion.
In a way, ano tawag? Back row. Or
a rotation violation for Cagayan.
Axel is the official. Teka, lidawin natin. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's TV. Nakaliyak mo sa Axel. In the meantime, that drops. Ano yung nangyari kanina doon? Anong tingin niyo tawag yung Marciano? Tansya mo muna. Sige, you can ask later.
Which one?
Yung kanina, yung tinawagan ng referee, di ba? Parang sinasabi kay Marciano umatras.
Yeah, the positioning because diba not like before we used to very, very straightforward. That's your position, doon ka mag-receive. Some people, they use a 2-man receive. Some people use three people. Pero sometimes, you forget who is the back row.
Yes.
So, minsan nagkaka-overrun yan eh. Nakahawak na ng volleyball to si Seb.
Tapasa ko sana kay Mac yun eh. Papaluin ni Mac yun. So, going back to the point.
Yeah, I mean, you can use those two-man receive formation or 3, but you gotta make sure that the backliner should be behind the frontliner.
Okay. Malinaw.
Malinaw.
From behind. Kasi tumusok yata masyado si Marciano
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
He was already in the front line eh. Okay. 4-3. Stricto sa choreography ko ng laro na to eh.
That's true. That is so true.
Kasi ayaw mo magkaroon ng unfair advantage ng isang team over the other. Kaya bawal po pumalo at lalampas sa linya yung mga back row players.
Yeah. That's
Nice.
that's why there's back row and front row players.
Yes. That's why we have rotation.
Yeah.
Kasi when it was a 9-man game, there was no rotation eh.
9-man game.
This is really the Far Eastern Games eh.
Yeah, I know.
And there is reason to believe that the 6-man game was invented because of the Philippines eh. Yung na-create na yung 6-man game. Kasi hindi na gumagalaw eh. 9-man, 3-man, yung 3 tosses eh. Tapos bigla na lang papalo, hindi na gumagalaw yung front row. In the meantime, that stays down. 5-4.
Good block by Cagayan. But yeah, for those who don't know, some trivia, I mean, volleyball started as a 9-man competition.
Yes, indeed.
And eventually evolved into the 6.
And they were not content. They made it 2 aside sa beach volleyball.
Beach volleyball.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng Daniel, Lion Target, Katolang gamitin proudly. Filipino.
Boy, Rosemary Vargas has been getting her fair share of service errors.
And what we've learned, no, ni Chino Trinidad while doing some of these tributes to the athletes, and he feels, and we're trying to prove it, that the spike was originally invented by the Philippines.
Yeah?
Yung killer shot ng Filipino daw naka-invent. We're trying to confirm that. This game, of course, invented by William Morgan, by an American, but it has changed so many times over. In fact, the Japanese part of this game is so evident in the protocol in this game and the behavior.
Yeah.
So Japanese. And that's out. 6 apiece. This game, of course, reinventing itself many times over.
Yeah, but you gotta love the... Siyempre, it's hard to embrace change, diba? I mean, kasanayan natin dati, 1 to 15, side out.
Side out. And then television stepped in, let's make it faster.
Yeah. But then, you're supposed to accept reality, accept the fact that it's there. You have to follow the rules. And then, once you do, it's fun naman eh.
Like the libero.
Exactly. Like the net. The ball can hit the net. Diba? Service.
Yeah. Libero actually celebrating its 15th year ever since it was invented. Whoa! 8-6 is the count, and you early lead.
Coping up with that hyperextended knee, tsaka kailan ka makakabalik sa pag-ensayo dito sa Cagayan Valley team?
Well, as of now, yung swelling medyo bumaba naman na. So, yesterday, medyo pinagpahinga lang ako ni coach kasi syempre ayaw naman niya i-risk na baka may mangyari pang masama. And then, sa training, siguro hopefully by tomorrow, makapag-training na ako tomorrow with the team.
And we all know that you're a coach also of Poveda team. If you were to coach Cagayan team, ano yung magiging instructions mo sa kanila pagdating dito sa ating third set?
Instructions, first of all, syempre yung focus inside the court. And then next is yung intensity. Wag ibababa yung intensity. Pero syempre, yun na nga, focus and then at the same time, nag-enjoy. And then yung basic stuff lang like service and receive. Yung, what you call this, unforced errors, iwasan lang. Yun lang.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, Angueta Baquera. Seb, back to you.
Thank you very much. I know the Lord said, ask and you shall receive. But in volleyball, you receive and you will also receive.
Yeah.
When you receive, you will also receive blessings, di ba? We have nothing against the Lord, of course. In the meantime, here is the lift of Chisayat. Double block on Marciano. The pounce by Jaja.
No good save by Saet.
General, alanganing toss. Pablo decided to jump it over. Marciano is caught. Chisayat says, hello, magkagulo kayo dyan. Nanggigil si Jaja. Naisahan ni Chi. Tara, patay si Chi. Patay si Chi. Kung tumusok yun.
Well, but that's really a smart play by Chisay. Prior to that, may regalo na si Jaja. She used her hand to block it para it's still playable.
Parang kahoy na may martilyo si Chi. Kung natusukan yun. Pero nautakan niya. 9-all. 9-all, nautakan niya.
Nagigil, ano?
Tumama sa net. Tabla sa 9. Bayan sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng ganyan. Lion Target, Katolang gamitin proudly, Philippines.
Good serve.
Si Saib, ganda rin ng top ng Chico.
Oh. Good cover. Oh.
That touch to Lucy Duga. Tumama sa kanya. She knew it. Mag-ikot niya. Watch this, ha? Let's see if we can catch the touch. Tumama. Ayun. Ayun.
Kainis eh, no? You're Jaja, di ba?
Kainis. Payat ko na nga eh. Wala eh. Ang lakas naman. Sing with too much of that one.
Yeah, don't look now. Cagayan with a 2-point lead.
Sing was too concerned over the blockers. That's why she tried to overpower it.
That's
actually.
right. That's so true.
11-9. Marciano has hardly sat down here, really. Oh, she got it. She got it. Maximum height. It's a scary sight, but when it's delivered, it's such a beauty. Watch this.
Nakakatawa naman. Kulang na lang may shield to si Maizo Montilla. Si to elude the ball.
From another generation, the power of grace.
Exactly.
Si Barry Pascual natawa. He-Man, we meet again.
What's the name of the cat?
I forget. Yun ang nakalimutan. 12-10, Seaside set to serve. That's something to Google tonight. Oh, lampas. 12-11. 11 will be serving against 12 as Santiago is in charge of the serve.
But yeah, when when Judges Santiago's at the back, the front rows like Tadang, they have to really add 100% more.
No,
no?
man, they can't wait. They shouldn't wait for Jaja to make that curl around the rotation. And now Jaja will have to sit down as the libero darts back in. That's General. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's not going to be Shakey's, 13-11. Yung libero po bigla, most of the time, as we learned from our analysts, comes in for the middle hitter.
Yes, most of the time, because the middle hitters are normally the taller players.
So that's why you see the Lazo coming Acumira coming in for Santiago. Yun ang cue niya pag umikot sa rotation sa likod. In the meantime, Seaside keeps it aloft. Soriano. This is the longest drive.
Yeah.
Not had too many. Vargas.
Oh.
And Perez says, oh boy, it was right in front of me and I didn't do anything.
Vargas going through the blockers. Exacto, no, right between the blockers.
14-11. Eulalio.
Good serve.
Tadang is caught with her hand in the cupboard. Anong kinukuha mo dyan? 15-11. Walang merienda para sa'yo.
That's right, Soriano and Pontiles is closing that couple.
Wala. Aray, sakit. Aray. So, sinabi na, huwag yung buhok eh.
Sabi ko na may galit to si Eulalio kay Maizo and Soriano.
Ano ba yan? Away FUUS. Seaside. Nice set! Oh, beautiful! Oh boy, it's 16-12.
Si Pontiles kay Eulalio.
Sinabi nang huwag yung buhok.
It's so funny, you know?
Yes, they were all laughing actually
Yeah.
in the timeout.
Crossing.
Crossing.
Yeah, Eulalio, during that huddle, Eulalio really ran to Pontiles and hugged her from the
actually,
back.
we had no choice but to go actually to the huddle of venue because they were the team that was behind the Noreen was right. Talagang tawanan sila ng tawanan sa timeout na yan. Anything the technique. Oh, that's Scott. Sheila. And who is this? Vargas get entangled. Nice double block. Oh, well done. Look at this. This is Pontillas, and you thought you'd never seen that. Soriano and Maison locking the door. Look at this.
Great block. Paulina.
Gusto na ito sa naging Philippine team members ang dalawang yan. This team last year, I remember that. Next one, because Sheila Pineda.
Oh, big.
Pau gets rejected. Marciano decided to punch it over. Regalo, but nobody knew it. Yep. Cagayan was unaware that it was spikeable, actually. So it's 14-17. And you need to get over a hump.
Yes, you're right.
You gotta believe that, that's why we said at the top of the telecast, you gotta believe.
Well, a couple of great defense in that rally. But, and you get that point. Oh, it's you.
Seaside with a big set. Jaja and it's on the ground.
Well, A for effort for Rosemary Vargas.
Yes. Alam mo, ang NU is a step away, and that's why they're playing this game. We shouldn't rush them also. No? That's why they're getting this team ready for the forthcoming collegiate season also. Marciano is rejected. Pineda keeps it in play. Recycling to Marciano, again, the same thing, mirror image. And Marciano says, pagod na ako. Actually, ano mo, bigay natin sa likod.
Kayo naman.
Lakas, Pablo!
Yeah, but you know, we gotta give credit to Ivy Perez for great
indeed.
blocking.
Yes, indeed. Guevara sees some action, pulls out Soriano. Mikasa po ang official ball ng ating Shakey's League, ng inyong volleyball league.
Oh, that's Faye Guevara from Adamson.
So it was an Adamson situation there.
Yes.
Ang daling mamatay ng bola sa side ng NU na. And they had nice runs, but in this stretch, confidence ang daling mamatay ng bola.
That's right. Mental focus.
You know, there's a certain pride also sometimes from back row players. Guevara messes that up. You know, yung walang mamamatay na bola.
Yes.
You set little themes when you're playing. Nag-uusap kayo, walang mamamatay na bola. Akin to, taas mo to. Taas mo lang, di ba? Those are the conversations that go on. Taas mo lang. Sa kalimang hindi, taas mo lang. Ano pa yan, ha? Sa lupong paipin nun, ano?
Taas mo lang.
Which men cannot do. It's the women who do that very well. Yung taas mo lang, taas mo lang.
Parang secret.
2016, Marciano has played all game long.
And she's been playing well.
Yes. Striking whenever necessary. Kung kami sunod-sunod na strike niya, tatlo. Pagod na lang.
Kaya nga in-over na kayo naman.
Ako nang ako. We have Seguire, who's actually inserted early. Now gets some playing time. Time out requested by NU. We'll try to listen.
Kuya na lang kung dito. Sige lang. Basta maganda rin siguro tayo. Ikaw mag-direct sa siguro. Ay, dali mo sa yun na, sarap, dalawa. Ganda mo kaya, kwarto. Yung ginagawa, eh. Huwag na.
Balik po tayo rito sa aksyon at let's see some more great slow-mo work from our truck. Vargas has also been there, but again, after a scary start, actually they almost didn't win the first set. Huh?
Yeah.
It was, if you just joined us, it was 26-24. And it was on back leading during a vital stretch, but lost control. Sige. They love it when the bench players produce.
Yeah.
Hindi kaya Asera eh? Hindi. Seguire. Seguire.
Seguire.
Mercano talaga. Hindi alam yung pronounce yung Aguirre. Out. Nice effort by Marciano. Ang hindi na lang nagawa po ni Marciano sa araw na ito ay magbenta ng pizza. Lahat na po nagawa na niya.
But I'm sure gusto niya kumain.
Ng pizza, yan. So, yun. 22-17. Maybe a matter of time. Just a matter of time before Cagayan ices this long. Perez may halong malas itong hapon na ito. May halong malas sa set. May halong malas sa serve. 23-17. Perez close to the net. Nice touch by Judge. Nice
Good
touch.
save.
Well done. Alam mo, tama ka. Hindi na bibigyan ng ganong karaming bola sa mga dapat, Isaac.
Yeah.
Dapat.
Dapat, hindi.
Hindi na-distribute yung bola masyado sa balasa.
Even Dadang for that matter.
I agree. Sampal. Singh. Chi. Segura. Long.
Well, it's nice. Still, no, it's nice of Chi's side to give Segura a chance.
Sige, paluin mo. to 23. Chi, inabot. Inabot sa spike yun.
Oh, but good stop by Ivy Perez.
Nice set by Pineda, and it'll go the way of NU, however. 20 to 23.
Oh, if you're Cagayan, you don't want to, be too lax here in the end game.
You know, closing out is always the hardest thing to do. Those points at stake forever. But however, if NU is cooperative, it could end sooner or later. Perhaps sooner.
But Seb, really, today's game, extra service errors from both teams.
Too many, no?
Yep.
Too many. Well, I'll try to listen in for probably the last time to NU here.
Gusto mo kaya?
It is match point, 24 to 20. Cagayan threatening to ice it in 3, yes.
Don't you love the little things you see sa huddle? See Ivy Perez drinking her drink? That she gave the cap to Mandapat. That Mandapat said, ano to?
Aanin ko yan.
Diba?
Aanin ko yan. Ako minsan, pagod mistakes no?
Yeah.
Lively exchange, bad set. Sabi ni Giba, sabi ng teammate sa Giba, hindi ka setter, hindi ka setter, hindi ka setter. Maniwala ako. Kita mo, lumapit yung 5. Sinabi na sa'yo na hindi ka setter.
Ayan, natawag ka sa lure. Well, still, match point.
Sing. Pineda. Binubuksan ba pinto?
Oo.
Binubuksan ba pinto? Vargas will come in for Segura.
Yep, they want to finish it right here, right now.
Alam nila yung weather situation.
Oh, medyo tumigil so...
Ito nakakatakot. Yung cam before the storm naman.
Yes.
Ibarra, 100. Load up, yes. Pablo says, I'm not interested in going home yet. Let's listen into Nes Familiar. This should be interesting.
For a change.
This should be interesting. Simple yung dulo Ano pa naman kayo ito? Ito pa 20 kanina Yun lang, malaman na yun In the meantime, Pao Soriano will return and Guevara will step out. Finishing touches here, might as well end it.
That's it. But you're NU, you got to realize you're just down by 1.
We were here before the first set, the same situation. Sing. Seaside. Vargas. Mukhang regalo pero hindi. Dadam. Oh boy, here we go. No complaints from Cagayan.
That's right. That violation called on Soriano and we are tied. And we're talking to them about 24-20 score earlier.
Yeah. You don't want to go to the Korean practice tomorrow.
Yep.
Sing long. May dumating na kamag-anak na hindi imbitado.
But you know, the thing, the very young player, she's going to learn.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, she was doing, well, I think she was looking at the corner.
Yeah.
Anyway, 25-24 still. It is still match point. Not anymore.
Well, I wonder if Vargas got any service in today. No? Maybe a few. Ang dami ng errors.
Mas marami. But you were pointing out that it was both teams, actually.
Yeah, both teams.
Nung dapat, Saet. This is rejected. Kept in play by Chi Saet. Soriano, let's give a free ball over. Mandapat, set by Perez. Down the middle we go. It's kept in play. First ball, second ball, Marciano.
Oh, good block.
Chi Saet is all over the place. Hininaan, enough speed.
Oh.
Hindi nakuha outside. Yung referee necessity dramatic, binitin pa ng konti. It is now, again, tama bilang ko, third match point.
Yeah.
No?
But you gotta love the coverage of Cagayan,
Yes, indeed. Especially the track down of Chi Saet.
Yeah.
Niya talaga. Perez.
Oh!
Pinatagal, pinasarap, and NU fought to the very end.
Yeah. No, for NU, they would have loved it if Judge Santiago were in front that last few plays.
Nung huling ikot.
Oh.
Huling ikot. And straight set victory for Cagayan. I think they're still in second place or third place right now in the standings.
I think they're 2-1 in the standings.
So there's hindi nangyari natalo back-to-back.
Yeah.
In a short while, we'll introduce to you our Shakey's best player. Just after that, Shakey's Shake and Play. Back in just a short while.